Well, first of all, thank you all for giving us this opportunity to come talk with y'all and taking time out of y'all's schedule from your families. So my name is Ashton Hedrick. I'm running for Justice of the Peace, Precinct 5. I've lived in Magnolia for 26, going on 27 years now. Been married to my wife 25 years, going on 26 in March. Been with the Constable's Office, Precinct 5 for 21 years. Been a longtime member of Magnolia Bible Church. Got one son, 3 grandkids. He's a police officer down south. So I've been a board member for Texas United for Freedom. It's a nonprofit that gives back to first responders and veterans for about 6 years. 2 years I was a board member for Magnolia Education Foundation, and for a very short time, a few years ago, I was actually part of McLeah and been a member with McLeah for a while.
What professional experiences best prepare you for this position?
So I would say that what prepares me for this position is the last 4 years. Weekly, I've been into court helping bailiff, been learning from the sitting judge, all the ins and outs and how the courtroom works.
What improvements do you envision for the court, long-term goals and short-term goals?
So one of the things that I see is to extend the hours of the court. Right now, they're Monday through Friday, 8 to 4. Fridays, they're closed at 12. I feel that the court should be open to the public Monday through Friday, regular business hours. So that's one of the things I would change. The other thing I would change is some of the technology in the courtroom. It needs to be updated and the technology needs to be used. A judge should not have to come down from the bench and stand in front of the bench and watch a video on a laptop.
How would you balance discipline and fairness with defendants?
How would I balance discipline and fairness? Well, I mean, everybody has their day in court. Fairness is that the JP court is what they consider the people's court for ordinary people. You really don't have to have an attorney represent you for anything. So I think it needs to be posted probably on the website and just make sure that the defendants and the plaintiffs understand the steps of what they're going through and how it all works before they get started and during the process of the court.
The floor is yours for your closing statement.
So the only thing I can say is to end this is my 21 years at Precinct 5. I started out in SRO division, left there, came in to the Civil and Patrol division. And I went from Civil and Patrol to the Internet Crimes Against Children for about 5.5 years, and then back into Civil. And my duties now in Civil is basically specialized in writs of execution, orders of sales, tax sales.
Well, thank you, sir.
All right, thank y'all.
My name is Billy Masden. I am running for Justice of the Peace, Precinct 5, which is in Magnolia. I have 37 years of law enforcement experience. 35 of those years have been in Magnolia. I started out at the Sheriff's Department for 2 years. The rest of my career has been with Precinct 5, worked my way up from deputy all the way up to captain, retired after 30 years, took a year off, came back, and now I'm my SRO for Constable Chris Jones at Lyon Elementary.
What improvements do you envision for the court, long-term goals, short-term goals?
I eventually want to go paperless. Right now, it's not paperless. Right now, at the end of the day, and of course, it's going to take some time to do that. Certainly not going to do it overnight, but I would like to do away with the paper and go strictly paperless with that department.
Good. How would you balance discipline and fairness with defendants?
Equally and fairly. The cases that may be brought in front of me, you have to apply a law fairly and equally. And that's going to be based on, of course, the law and the evidence presented.
Okay. The floor is yours for your closing statement, sir.
Like I said, thank you for having me again. I'm looking forward to the next chapter of my life here. I'm very familiar with the area of Magnolia. Like I said, I've done this over half of my life, and 35 years of it have been in Precinct 5. I know the community, I know the people. I work well with other agencies, other departments, and I'm ready. I want to continue to serve. I just want to serve in a different capacity. Like I said, I've been doing this 37 years, and now I feel it's the right opportunity to do something different for the community.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.